Hi Sacha, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. This birthday is very special for me because we met 25 years ago and we celebrated so many birthdays together. However, I could not be there with you this year to celebrate your special birthday. So I have a lot of memories in last 25 years when we had a lot of birthday parties, sitting till late night, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock till early morning when the waiters start finishing their dinner, but we are still continuing with our drinks around the round table in Vanashri. So many times we spent together throwing eggs on each other, celebrating birthdays with lot of drinks. Are you tung or what is a famous dialogue what JP and Nana. Let me now talk in Marathi. सचा भडव्या लोकांना माझ्याशिवाय इंग्लिशमध्ये सांगू नकोस, परंतु ज्या प्रकारे आपण मजा केलेली आहे त्या मेमरीज मी कधी विसरणार नाही. आपण ज्या प्रकारे तुझ्या बर्थडे पार्टी जरी तुझ्या घरी सुद्धा काय वेळेला सेलिब्रेट केलेल्या होता किंवा इतरांच्या बर्थडेच्या वेळेला तू जे काही मिक्सचर करून खायचा, जे जीपीबीच्या बाहेर गरम चहामध्ये केळं बुचकळून खायचा, उपिटामध्ये पापड आणि त्याच्यामध्ये श्रीखंड आणि त्याच्यामध्ये मिरिंडा ओतून खायचा, हे फक्त तूच करू शकतो. जीपीबीच्या वर्गामध्ये चॅलेंज घेऊन पोरींच्या शेजारी बसून त्यांना प्रश्न विचारायचा, हे सचा फक्त तूच करू शकतो. आणि ज्या प्रकारे सचा 25 वर्षापूर्वी होता, 6 महिन्यापूर्वी ज्या वेळेला मी US ला आलो होतो, 2 दिवस तुझ्याकडे राहून मला जाणवलं की सचा तोच आहे आणि सचा काही बदललेला नाही. तो जरी करिअरमध्ये किती मोठा झाला असला, त्याला लग्न झाली असली, त्याला मुलं झाली असली, तरी सचा हा सचा आहे. अँड आय एम प्राऊड टू हॅव यू ॲज माय फ्रेंड. Wishing you a very happy birthday and enjoy your party. Bye.
हाय सचिन, दिस इज राहुल. तुला 40व्या वर्षानिमित्त भरपूर शुभेच्छा. प्रसिद्धांनी जो उपक्रम मांडला आहे, आय थिंक द सरप्राईज दॅट शी इज गिविंग यू इज ग्रेट, अँड फॉर दॅट आय एम सेंडिंग यू दिस स्मॉल व्हिडिओ and our best wishes, and we all wish that you live another 100 years. So एक छोटासा किस्सा सांगायचा आहे मला, and it was about 13-14 years or more than that, 95, so 17 years ago, when Sachin and I were staying together, and he was already working with Prasida, but denying the fact that he was in love with Prasida. And one day he fell sick, and he stayed at home. We were roommates, and so about 12 o'clock my lunch time I came back and I decided to see him, and to my surprise Prasida was there. She came back early from the office, and this guy was lying in the bed, and I know what you guys are thinking. Prasida was just sitting next to him, and it took another 2 years for both of them to admit and actually continue their life together. So I wish both of them a very happy and married life, and I wish Sachin you a very happy birthday and very long and prosperous and successful life. And stay in touch, buddy. Okay, bye.
I would like to say that whatever he behaves outside is the same like how he behaves inside his house. I don't know whether it's a positive or negative, but it's like he is the same person whatever he is inside in the house and outside the world. Actually, Sachin, I got many friends, and Sachin belongs to only those. I got only 2 or 3 very close friends where I can share my any problem or anything. I can just pick up a call and just talk with him. And normally our conversation conversation between us is actually start with all the bad words in Marathi or mother tongue. And so Sachin, it's really good that we had a lot of long years going for that, and you are now becoming 40 years, so you still got time to improve yourself. Okay, jokes apart, I would say you be like whatever you have been and be it for the rest of your life. It's really great. Happy birthday. Wish you a happy birthday for the 40th birthday and have great fun.
Hello, Sachin. Sachin uncle, happy birthday. Have great fun.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Sachin Mama. Happy birthday to you. Okay, how many claps here? 100 no, it's only 40 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 40!
You are going to 40.
No, it's only 40 years. Welcome to Vruddha Ashram, Sachin. Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kaka.
Happy birthday.
We wanted to come, but we couldn't. And I hope you have fun. And we'll see you later soon. And
Amen.
we'll come for your 50th birthday.
I'll miss all the fun and bye.
Hello Sachin, welcome to the dark side. Happy 40th birthday. Sorry, not in person to celebrate it with you, but यासाठी एक वीक आधीपासून चढ दिली. आज बाहेर आहे कॅम्पिंगला. Not in our thoughts. We had a lot of great fun during our cricket time. As they say, life begins at 40. म्हणून it's time for you to come back to cricket. मुलं मोठे झाले ते आपलं जातील क्लास फीसला. प्रसिद्ध आहेच नाही तरी क्लासला घेऊन जायला. सो सी यू ऑन द फील्ड सून. हॅव अ गुड वन.
सचिन, वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. मज्जा करा, ऐश करा. Already 1 month into this club and I can tell you nothing changes. It's just new 20s, maybe more mature 20s. So welcome to the club. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sachin Kaka. I hope your birthday is as wonderful as you are, and I hope it really brings a smile on your face, happiness to your heart, and a beautiful blessing for every single day in the year ahead. I know, unfortunately, I can't be a part of the beautiful party and the gorgeous celebration that Kaku has specially thrown out for you, but I hope to meet you soon and re-celebrate maybe. And oh yeah, one thing I'm definitely missing is seeing you eat all those jalebis. I hope Kaku is going to make you eat them again sometime soon for me to see. Jalebi competition was the best part of the mantra. Have fun.
I grew up together with Sachin Dada and Samir Dada in Pune. When I was young, both of them used to teach me a lot, but they used to help me whenever I needed help. It was a lot of fun to grow up with Sachin Dada. He's very caring and supportive and funny. And if you have seen him with his kids, you must know he's a cool dad. And that's all. Wish you a very happy birthday. Bye.
Wishing you all the success, all the happiness for your life. But having said this, just one word of caution. They say men get naughty when they turn 40, so please don't be any more naughtier than this, because then it will be very difficult for everyone to handle you. 10th standard, I remember we had gone out to eat bhel, and we had bhel and Pepsi Cola, and we really felt great about these things, and we really enjoyed. If you tell our kids today that our celebration was bhel and Pepsi Cola, they will laugh at us. But those things had their own charm, and I really cherish those moments. It was really nice. Of course, we will share all these memories once we meet again. Have a great day, have a great life ahead, and wish you all the success, and of course, you have a great support in Prasida. I repeat again, and enjoy life.
Happy birthday, Sachin, from all of us. Have a great day. Bye.
ग्लोबल टेलिकॉममध्ये सगळ्यात सर्टिफाईड फक्त सचिन होता. आम्हाला एक शब्द शिकवला नाही कधी. ग्लोबल अकॅडमीमध्ये जाऊन चिमणींची शाळा घ्यायचा. चिमणींची शाळा घ्यायचा आणि एका चिमणीला घरी आणलं आणि सुखी झाला. हो की ना रे? एन्जॉय. मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. सी.
Hey Sachappa, wish you many happy returns of the day. आईला बघता बघता 40शीला आलास की राव. खूप छान वाटलं सचिन. अशीच उंच उंच शिखर पादक्रांत करत जा. अतिशय छान पीक पॉइंट आहे. पुढची 10 वर्ष तुला आणखीन प्रगतीसाठी अवेलेबल आहे. त्याच्यानंतर मात्र स्टेबल आयुष्य ठेवायला पाहिजे. तुझं आयुष्य पुढचं आरोग्य छान राहू देत, प्रगती चांगली राहू देत. मुलांच्या बाबतीत तुझं लक्ष आहेच आहे. दोन्ही पोरं हुशार आहेत. प्रसिद्धा चांगली पार्टनर तुला मिळाली. खूप छान, खूप समाधान वाटतं.
बोल.
सचिन मामा, तुला वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा आणि तू पूर्ण झोप घे म्हणजे तुझ्या डोळ्याखाली डार्क सर्कल्स नाही येणार.
हॅलो सचिन, तुला 40व्या वाढदिवसाच्या शुभेच्छा. तुझं उर्वरित आयुष्य छान सुख समृद्धीचं आरोग्यदायी जावो अशीच सर्वांकडनंच तुला शुभेच्छा देते. हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू.
हाय सचाप्पा, 14वं वर्ष लागतंय ना, म्हणजेच 41वं. हार्दिक शुभेच्छा तुला. मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. काय म्हणतोस? मजा आहे ना? सगळे आई बाबा पण आहेत, सगळे आहेत तिथं. मजा कर. आणि पुण्यात आलं की आम्हाला मोठी पार्टी आहे. बस एवढंच.
हॅलो सचिन मामा, तुला वाढदिवसाच्या खूप 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 शुभेच्छा. भरपूर मजा कर. आजचा वाढदिवस एकदम सुखाचा हो.
सचिन, तुला वाढदिवसानिमित्त हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आणि तुझ्या उज्ज्वल भविष्यासाठी मनापासून सुयश.
हॅलो सचिन, हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू. आता काय बोलू, का तर कळतच नाही. खरंच ये, लवकर ये इकडे पुण्यात.